What are the pros and cons of trading with robots?
It is a very good question. So, I will tell you first the pros and then the cons of trading with a robot. Now, there are many pros of trading with a robot, and the first is, in my opinion, is the absence of emotions, because when you are trading with a robot, you don't have to really deal with the amount of emotions that are rushing through your brain when you are trading manually. Why it is the case? It is because when you are trading manually, you have to make all the decisions. When you start to look for the entry, when you will take the trade, and all the micromanaging stuff, like when you will close the trade with a dynamic exit, or when, what is your stop loss, what is your take profit, everything. And greed, fear, and all the brutal emotions of the humankind, they are there. And you want to take action, you want to grab the money and run with it, you will not be patient enough. But when you are trading with a fully automated system, which are the best in my opinion, you actually eliminate almost like 90% of these emotions, because the EA, and you have to let the EA trade. The EA will decide when to enter the market, and it will enter the market completely automated. You don't even have to look at the chart, or you don't even have to open your computer if you are using a VPS. And after that, the EA will manage the trades. So it will actually decide the stop loss, take profit based on the parameters that you gave the EA beforehand, and you can change it after it opened the trade. Is very important. Micromanaging it will ruin your trading experience with any robot, and it will decide when to close a trade with the dynamic exit strategy based on indicators, price action patterns. The other pro of the advantage of robot trading is that you don't have to be at your computer all day long looking at the charts. If you are at work, you can't even really do that. You can't concentrate, focus on the chart, because you will get fired. And so it is a good way to trade, but still do your job, do all the stuff that you have to do. And after, at the end of the day, you take a look at the chart, the trades, what the EA did, you analyze the markets, but it won't consume your entire day, because the EA will analyze the markets all day long, even at night, if you are using VPS. And also, one of the main reasons is that when you are a advanced trader, you will be able to use an EA that you optimized a strategy for, and created such a complex strategy that that you wouldn't be able to trade manually, because you would have to analyze 10 charts at the same time with 50 indicators, and it is humanly impossible for 99.999% of humans. And so, but for a robot, these numbers are actually very easy, and pattern recognition as well, because they can perfectly recognize patterns in numbers and visually on the chart. So you don't have to worry about missing out on a good trade. These were the pros of robot trading, but especially if you're a beginner, there are many dangers when you are trading with robots, many disadvantages. For example, the dangers of the industry itself, the market of forex trading robots. Because actually the market of forex trading robots, it is built on naive people who don't know what they want, but they want to make money fast. Most of the time they lost their job, they sell their house to trade forex, and these things are serious things, and scammers will take their money heartlessly, so they won't care about the customer's future, anything like that, life. their life. They will take the money and sell them some garbage robot that doesn't, not just, you know, not work, but it is dangerous. So they lose all the money in approximately 2 to 3 months, and they blow the account. And it is so heartbreaking to see. And many traders write me that they lost all their savings, insane amount of money, on trading robots, and they almost gave up because of that. So it is a huge danger. And also, one of the other things that is not this serious, but it is still a disadvantage, that if you are a beginner and you start to trade with robots, you won't learn trading, because you will learn some aspects of trading, but you won't understand the charts, you won't understand the markets in a way that if you would have like traded for at least a year manually and looking at the charts every day, 1 or 2 hours minimum, understand how to place a stop loss, take profit, how to exit the market, like get to know your emotions. And so it is a huge factor as well that you won't learn from it, and you must learn trading before you start, a little bit of trading before you start to trade with robots. If you like this video and you like this series and you want more interviews like this, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because that way it is very possible in probability that we will make more videos like this.